Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we have an unboxing video of the SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module. This is a brand new dual antenna high precision full system, full frequency positioning and attitude module launched in the SIYI RTK series. It features advanced performance, exceptional accuracy, compact size, and extremely low power consumption. It empowers the flight control system within the smart robotics ecosystem, enabling high-precision positioning, attitude determination, and automatic navigation control. The SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module is designed for the smart robotics ecosystem, with a minimalist design that is as small as millimeters and weighs as light as a feather. Its dimensions are 40 mm x 30.5 mm x 15 mm, with a weight of 22.8 g. Equipped with the RM3100 industrial-grade magnetometer, the SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module can achieve dual antenna attitude functionality with a single module. Showcasing excellent anti-interference performance in complex electromagnetic environments, providing high-precision flight control for drones and ensuring precise operations. The dual antenna attitude functionality allows a single module to connect to two antennas, replacing the magnetometer and ensuring stable operation in complex electromagnetic environments. The SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module also has advanced anti-interference units built in, supporting interference detection and digital encryption to ensure the security of data transmission. It supports independent capture and tracking of multiple frequency points, ensuring reliable and accurate positioning results in challenging electromagnetic conditions. The SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module supports high-precision positioning across the entire system and frequency spectrum with Beidou, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and SBAS, greatly enhancing accuracy and reliability. Included in the box are the following cables: RTK feed line, USB data cable, RTK module to flight control connection line, RTK module to flight control connection line. The second layer of the box includes SIYI RTK positioning and orientation module, 4-arm spiral antenna. That's all for the contents of the box. Thank you for watching. For more information, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.